Hi everyone and welcome to this mini tutorial on how to test the latest browser from Mozilla for Android. I already have the app installed, but if you have issues in installation, don't hesitate to contact us and we will give you our support. As you can see in the onboarding screen, we already have a search bar implemented and current and previous session with tabs that we were open, and also some buttons in the right side part of the upper part which represent the private mode and also the settings for library and settings as I mentioned. Do check them out and change maybe some of them, make it more personal, and let us know if those work for you, or if not, do log them as issues. Besides this, you can always try some pages. I will go now to mozilla.org, but I encourage you to do with a local one that you use, maybe a tool that you prefer, a social network, or newspapers in your own language. We do try to cover as much possible as we want to be sure it displays different characters or different languages. So again, probably will be really helpful if some of your personal pages won't be just mozilla.org or a search engine on Google. As you can see, while you test the browser, we are looking first to see if the images are displayed correctly, if the video starts playing, if we can share it. And while we are doing this, another menu pops up, the longer one with more options, and each of these elements can be tested separately. If you do find a bug, I will recommend you to log it from the mobile, and we have prepared for this a form. It should be almost the first part of it almost populated with the user agent of the browser. You can see in the first field. If it's not populated with your device, you can add it yourself. In my case, it's Pixel 3 and the Android version that I'm using is 9. Choose an issue for the type. For example, I will go with user interface, the visual things, and I will consider that an image is not correctly displayed. We do have this checking with the web compat bugs, because most of the bugs that we find in pages might also be because the developer did not implement it correctly. If it's something that you can reproduce in other browsers too, it's definitely a web compat. Meaning the developer wanted like that, but if it's something that only doesn't work to Fennec or Firefox, you can definitely log it here and we will have a look at it. Do add a description like images are not displayed, and also go to the next section with steps. For example, would be open mozilla.org and scroll down. And here, most of the times you can mention other stuff if you loaded previously other pages that broke maybe the behavior, anything that you consider helpful. As expected, behavior should be images are displayed, and the actual behavior, of course, they are not. Images are not displayed. It might feel a bit repetitive, but you have to think that those that will parse this, will triage them, do not have your knowledge at the moment, do not know what you did before. So it's really helping them to understand the situation. If you can take a screenshot or even a video for it, feel free to do it and upload here the screenshot, or give us a link to the video where you have it. Add your GitHub account so it will be easier for us to reach you for more details, and also you can have it under your profile, the work that you did for this campaign. In a few words, this is how we are going to run this campaign. Do ask us more questions if you have, and we are here for helping you with any inquiries that you might have. Thanks, and talk to you soon.